Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply custom formatting to the subject in line in your Gmail address. A great way to help your messages stand out and make a lasting impression. Let's walk through it step by step. To begin, we will need a helpful Chrome extension. Open your Chrome browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Formatting Email Subject Lines by Cloud HQ, then press Enter. Now, scroll through the result and click on the link that leads to the Cloud HQ tool. This extension allows you to customize your Gmail subject lines with style like bold, italic, and colored text. Once you are on the extension page, simply click Add to Chrome. If a pop-up appears, confirm by clicking Add Extension. After a few seconds, it will install and become active in your browser. Now that this tool is installed, go ahead and open Gmail. Once you're inside, click the Compose button located on the left side of your inbox. This opens a new message window. Focus on the subject line. This is where the magic happens. Start by typing your subject line like you normally would. Something clear and attention grabbing. Then you'll notice a new style icon next to the subject bar added by the Cloud HQ extension. Click on that icon to open up a menu with several formatting options. You can bold your subject, add color, use italics, and even try decorative fonts. Pick a style that fits the tone of your message but keep it professional, especially if you're emailing colleagues or clients. As soon as you make a selection, your subject line will update to reflect your chosen style. Remember, here's a quick bonus tip, guys. Using formatting, emphasize urgency. Highlight keyword and match the tone of your emails, but don't overdo it. A little styling goes a long way towards making your email pop up without overwhelming the reader. And that's it, guys. You have now added a stylish, personalized subject line that grabs attention and helps your message stand out in any inbox. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.